Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GLLK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice move here today. A good solid volume. So let's map out some areas of support. Then we can talk about areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. Meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can continue to hold above 0015, that would make things look very powerful. I say continue because if you look right here, multiple times this afternoon, the bears did try to press down through there, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a fantastic job of holding strong. So if the price can continue to do that, that would be best case scenario for sure. Now, if the price does drop below there, I'm not saying that everything's totally ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay above there, definitely a good sign of strength on the bulls' part. Next level of support after that, down here at 0011. So 0015, 0011, two initial areas of support, and then taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things. It's really all about the purple line there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this line is going to continue to move its way upwards. And the very simplistic way to look at that in a very black and white way is as long as the price remains above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control. The bulls are in full health, however you can best visualize that. No questions asked. So as far as how do you measure the health of the move, you know, this, of course, being the move right here. Like I said, as long as the price is above that purple line, bulls are in full control. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where's some potential battlegrounds at? Two key areas of resistance. The first one is the fun one, which would be up here at 002. I call that the fun one because, yeah, it is fun to talk about testing previous highs and breaking new highs, and that's where 002 comes into play. But in many cases, as is the case here, usually there's an initial bridge that first needs to be crossed. And in this case, that initial bridge is right here at 0018. This afternoon, the bulls try to get above it on several different occasions, but you can see here the bears just kept on smacking it back down. So yeah, don't get me wrong, 002 is definitely a level of resistance, but before you start talking about 002, bulls first got to get up through 0018. Any way you slice it, though, very nice day to day, so it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.